Welcome everyone to this video tutorial. Today we will see how to set up and use the contact forms in the consulting theme with the CF7 plugin. After the demo import of the theme, you will have several forms on your website, but they are not ready to receive responses. We have to set up how we will receive emails if someone fills out the form. As I mentioned it earlier, contact forms in our theme have been built using the CF7 plugin. First, open the page where the form you want to edit is located and click on Edit with Elementor button. Find the needed form and click on it to select. On the left sidebar, you will see the preferences of the special widget for the CF7 plugin. Using this widget, you can also add forms anywhere you want. Now, I want to know the name of the form on our page. As you see, its name is Request a Callback. For WP Bakery users, click on the Edit with WP Bakery button and find the form you want to customize. Using the pencil icon, you can open the widget preferences and there is info about the form name. With the help of the Contact Forms widget, as Elementor, you can paste any form anywhere you want. Now let me go ahead and move to the backend. On the WordPress dashboard, find the Contact Forms. Here you can see the list of all contact forms that have been used on our website. We wanted to set up and modify Request a Callback form. Let me go and edit it. This is the main page where you deal with the form settings. You can find the shortcut of the form which you can use to paste it anywhere. On the Form tab, you will construct the form. You can see the tag generator for the elements to build the form. You can put the fields to write or enter the info like text, email, URL, tel, number, date, and text area fields. There is also an availability to insert fields with predefined options to choose from, like drop-down, checkboxes, and radio buttons, as well as file upload and submit buttons. Let me show you some examples. First, put the cursor at the point you want to insert the field, then click on the field itself. For input fields, you have to indicate field type, name, default value, placeholder, ID, and class attributes if needed. As you make changes here according to your needs, on the bottom you can see the generated tag which you can easily insert into the form using this button. For the fields that have predefined options to choose like checkboxes, you have to add the options as well. Make sure to write one option per line. As you can see, options are being pasted in tags inside of double quotation marks in the right order. To beautify the forms, you can freely use HTML and CSS, which our developers already did, as you see. If you want to customize the existing forms by consulting theme, we highly recommend changing only form tags, text inside of square brackets, if you do not know HTML and CSS. In order to change the options in the drop-down in our form, you have to add your options to the tag starting with select, which represents the drop-down field. On the screen, you can see which tag opener represents which field. Now let's move to another important part of our contact forms, the Mail tab. We're gonna set up email template that we will receive each time the form is submitted by any user. Make sure that you have set up SMTP settings on your WordPress because without it, system will not be able to send emails. First, indicate the email address that you want to receive responses, then enter the email that these emails should be sent from. Write down the subject for emails. Have you ever thought of adding CC or BCC header to your emails? Additional headers filled in the mail sections are just for that purpose. There should be one field per line. When it comes to message, Here you need to write down the message body briefly. On the top of the page, you can see the special tags for the fields that have been used in your form. Use these tags on this message body. By the way, you can use these tags in these fields as well. The system will replace these tags with the answers from the user. If you select the exclude lines with the blank mail tags from the output checkbox, lines including mail tags that have empty values will be excluded from the message body of the actual email output. If you have experience with HTML, there is an availability to style the email with HTML. Just put a tick here. If you attach uploaded files to this email, put mail tags for the uploaded files into the File Attachments field. Mail to is an additional mail template. It is often used as an autoresponder, but you can use it for any purpose. Mail to is sent only when the primary mail has been sent successfully. On the next Messages tab, you can edit approval or error messages that will be displayed under certain conditions. Usually, they are very handy if your form is not in English. You can freely edit them. You can also include additional settings to each contact form by adding code snippets into specific format in the Additional Settings tab. The plugin has a lot of snippets. I will put the link to the Contact Form 7 plugin documentation in the video description, but actually we have nothing to do here. So, good job, that's it. Click on the Save button and save the changes, and let's see how it works. As a user, I will fill out the form. And here is the response. Apply the same process to other forms as well. Boost your business with the best business and finance WordPress theme. That's all for this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.